Hey everybody, what is going on? I hope you guys are all doing well and welcome to another tutorial video. In this video, I'll be explaining how you can fix a problem where a Google Maps link won't open. So let's get right into it. Now, I'll be explaining for both the PC and the mobile version, where I'll start with the PC version first. So let's get right into it. So on the PC, if a link is not opening, most likely what is happening is that your internet connection is not stable. So I would recommend you go online, check your connection on a speed test, and if everything is good, then you don't have a problem with your connection, which means that most likely it's a problem with your browser or your PC, so you'll need to troubleshoot those. On the browser, you can easily clear the cache, and that should fix your problem. But if your connection is not stable, make sure it's not tied to yourself, but that it's tied to your ISP. If it's tied to yourself, restarting the router might help, and troubleshooting your network on your device might also help. But if it's due to the ISP, then you're going to need to wait for them to fix it, and that's pretty much that. Now, on the mobile version, what you should do is clear the cache of the app or install the app completely if it is possibly corrupted, and again, make sure that you're using the correct or a high quality network with no network issues. And if you have all of that covered, what you can do is you can also turn on location functions on your phone and make sure that they are set to your precise location, and that might help with it. But other than that, links not opening should not happen, and most likely it's a cache error where you just need to clear your cache, and that's it. That's all there is to it. Hope you guys enjoyed, and I'll be seeing you guys in another video.